show you how to create a new document and invite somebody into this new document. First thing we do is we create a new document, give it a title, and we now would like to invite somebody into this document. So what we do is we close the file and therefore save it, and we now choose this file and click on this little pen here, and then we add the email address of the user we want to invite to. Say we want to invite this person here, type in the email address and submit. What you need to do now is give this new person the correct level of access, and you click onto this little eye icon and you now have 4 levels of access that you can dish out to this new user. You can give him full write access. You can give him write tracked access. That means he can write into the document, but you need to proofread what he's writing and allow the changes to take place. You can give him comments only access. That means he cannot write into the document. He can only comment on the side of the document, and the lowest level of access is you can give him read-only access, so he can't comment and he can't write into the document. So in our case, we want to give him full write access, so click on this and then submit, and that will send an invitation to the new user's email address and invite him into the document. Thanks for watching.